Bought something on Prime Day that didn't work out? Don't worry. We'll show you how to handle it on this episode of What's the Deal. Amazon returns are pretty simple, convenient, and free. Here's how to quickly get your refund even after an exciting event like Amazon Prime Day. You'll have 30 days to get your return back to Amazon, plus with these wild economic times and a massive oversupply of inventory, it's possible they might tell you to keep the item and still offer you a refund. Here are a few ways to make Prime Day returns easy. Option number 1, do not pass go. Do not collect $200 and just head straight to the UPS store without a shipping box, label, or tape. That's right, select UPS drop-off as your return location during the return process with Amazon, and they'll send you a QR code to show at the UPS store. They'll scan the code, take your packages, and handle everything else from there, plus Amazon will automatically issue a refund as soon as UPS takes possession of the package. Option number 2, go to Kohls and do the same thing. Just select Kohls drop-off location as your return option with Amazon and use the QR code they give you there to return the item at Kohls, and they'll take care of the packaging, label, and tape. It's so easy. And you can do a little shopping while you're there since Kohls often rewards people for taking advantage of this service with coupons. Win-win. Option number 3, if you live near an Amazon store or a Whole Foods, you can drop off your return there much like you would at a UPS store or Kohls location. Just note that the Amazon store or Whole Foods options require you to use the original manufacturer's packaging, and they won't provide any packaging material for you, just the label. Amazon returns are super easy when you follow these tips. For more tips and to save on all your shipping and return costs, head to Brad's Deals using the link in our description below. Hope you had a great Prime Day. Join us next time on What's the Deal?